Welcome to another episode of Inside the Shop with Luby Equipment. I'm Gardner, the shop technician in Cape Girardeau, Missouri. Today we're going to go over the initial services on a TL12V2. So today we're going to go over the initial 50-hour service on the Takeuchi TL12V2. What they want you to do in the first 50 hours, they want you to replace your pilot filter, your hydraulic filter. He's going to be under this cover right here. You have your engine oil and filter. That's all a part of the initial 50-hour service. They also want you to open up the back, and they want you to verify your tension of your fan belt and your AC belt. Most of the time, the way we like to do it is you open this radiator up here with these two 19mm bolts. You have a pin over here on the side. It's going to be kind of hard to see. You pull the little cotter pin out of it. Then you can pull this out, stick it in that empty hole. When you pull the radiator out, you pull it to a certain point and it will lock in place. This will allow you access to all of your belts and your fan. Also will allow you to blow out the radiator when you're doing things like this. Rule of thumb that we like to go by is if you can grab that fan, if you can move that fan easily, the belt's too loose. You don't want to be able to rotate that fan at all. The V-belt down on the AC compressor kind of just goes by feel. You want it pretty snug. If they're loose, the machine will tell you. They will squeal if they get slack in them. To adjust those, you're going to have some adjusting nuts over here on the alternator. You loosen on the back side, and then you run your nut in or out to loosen or tighten the belt. On the bottom, on the AC compressor, the tensioner pulley that's on the very bottom has a 19mm nut. Take him loose, and then there's a 12mm headed bolt. You loosen it or tighten it, depending on whether you're loosening or tightening the belt. This has been another episode of Inside the Shop with Luby Equipment. I'm Lee, down here at the Cape Girardeau store. We just wanted to highlight some of the initial 50-hour service for you guys to make it easier on y'all. Once again, we sell all these filters, all these parts that you could ever need. These Kubota engines do like the OEM filters. You can bring it in. We'd be more than happy to knock out the service for you or sell you the parts, and you can do it yourselves. Thank you.